my meal is to die for. They have the potato hash, which I think just makes the entire thing.
What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are at Wine Bar George and we're excited for this one because this is our first brunch video. And if you didn't know this about Molly and I, we are heavy, big brunch fans.
I love breakfast food. It is my go-to. And so today we are here at Wine Bar George. This is actually the first time we've ever been to this restaurant.
Yes.
And so I'm super excited that our first time here is going to be brunch, because that makes it even better.
Yeah, so their brunch is actually fairly new. It's gaining popularity. I know Homecoming's brunch is very popular, Disney Springs too. But if you look at their top 12 brunches on like if you go online and you research the best brunches at Disney, Wine Bar George is growing on that list. It's apparently very popular. So we were super excited to come out here. We actually just ordered a carafe of sangria. So they do full, carafes and stuff like that. They don't have a bottomless mimosa, just so you're aware.
Which was a real disappointment to Jared.
Yes, I was excited for that.
Even though we've already gotten ourselves one ground Z over at Jock Z Hangar Bar.
Yeah, at Hangar Bar. It was just pouring here, so we got super lucky.
Yeah.
Everything kind of cleared up. We're sitting outside, up top, which we always walk by here and think like, oh, that's
That
awesome.
would be great.
Yeah, I mean, we love wine and we love cheese, so this place is, best for that. So welcome to this brand new video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And let's eat some food.
Brunch.
Alright guys, so we just talked to the server. First of all, we wanted to give a little bit of information just about this place.
Yes, so Wine Bar George is owned by a man called George Otis, who's actually here all the time, which I think is super cool. You don't see that very often, especially Melotus, sorry George.
Yeah, he's here.
But I just think that's super cool, especially since it's such a touristy, busy place. Like the fact that he's here all the time, I think makes it such more of like more of a mom and pop shop feel. Like he gets to supervise everything, and
he's one of 200, I believe. What was the term?
Wine sommeliers. So he's basically a really big wine expert.
Yes, exactly.
And there's not many of those in this area, so he's a big deal.
So they actually said that they're like the only one in Florida where they're led by a master, som, as they say. A master, yes.
Bougie.
So basically, if you're coming here, you want to drink some wine. It doesn't really matter what kind of wine. We got sangria that should be on its way right now, and but they said they have over 140 types of wine.
And I think the coolest part of this bar is that you can order wine by the ounce. So they do wines by the ounce, the bottle, or the glass and the bottle. So you can kind of get whatever size, but the fact that you can just get an ounce of wine to try it and then try a bunch of different other wines that they have here, I think it's just super cool.
And also, if you just wanted to taste something that you didn't want to come sit down, they have the basket, which is right next door, and they do corksicles, so you can buy your to-go corksicle. I believe it's like $35, plus you get whatever frozen wine you want.
And they're known for their frozen drinks. So their biggest one is they have a Dole Pineapple Prosciutto.
Yeah.
So that's Moscato with a little bit of vodka and then the Dole Pineapple. So that's definitely their most popular one. They also have a Riesling that's delicious.
Yeah,
and
a
couple
Friesling.
Friesling, yes, they call it.
Yeah.
They have lime, Dole Whip, strawberry Dole Whip, a bunch of different flavors.
And something that's getting more popular with the basket too is they have these French fry baskets that are loaded up. So they have a buffalo chicken French fry basket. They have I think a barbecue chicken one. They have a few different kinds. So if you're into that, getting a snack, you might want to try that out. We might actually do a separate video on the basket at some point. But yeah, just some fun information. We might run into George while he's here. Hopefully we can talk to him. He's very active on Twitter. I literally conversed with him on Twitter today, which is kind of cool. he's a really nice guy apparently, and loves to just be a part of all this, which I think is great. And a restaurant owner to like be here and want to actually converse with the people, it makes a difference. So yeah, we'll show you what the sangria looks like once we get that, and then we just ordered our food.
I'm hungry.
Yes, we are excited for some serious eating. All right, so we got our sangria. So this carafe of red sangria is $44, which at first you might say, that is terrifying. That's a large amount of money. But no, actually, so you can get 6 glasses out of this carafe, which averages out to be about 7 and change for each glass.
And
which
normally a glass of sangria here, yeah, it's
$15.
So.
So I mean, you're really saving a lot of money if you do plan on having several glasses of wine. So just fun fact, I'm always ahead of the game when it comes to booze. So that's just me.
Jared knows how to get his dollars.
I'm just trying to get the bang for my buck when it comes to Disney drinking.
The sangria is really delicious. So it's, you know, a red wine base, but it's just got really great hints of like orange and citrus and like a little bit of a grape in there.
Oh yeah,
it's delicious. It's really good.
And it's perfect for like our brunch. I mean, like brunch is kind of usually a mimosa heavy kind of meal. But, I mean, getting a carafe saves a little bit of money in the long term, and also, this is a very sweet red sangria, which is perfect, because in the morning, you don't want to jump straight to that hard stuff. You want to have something
You don't want to
sweet.
get a whiskey flight like Jared asked me if he could do at 10:30 this morning.
It was a joke, guys. It was a joke. Everyone calm down. So, yeah. So, do you want to tell them a little bit about what we ordered?
Yes, so I decided, we asked what was, recommended here, so I decided to go with the Eggs Benedict, just because that's always been my go-to. It actually has chicken sausage in it, which I think is going to be interesting, just because Eggs Benedict usually comes with bacon, but it was recommended, so I got it. And then
I got the chicken biscuit, which is definitely a heavy southern thing. It's been a while since I've had one. But it comes with a fried egg, which I'm excited about, and also I got a side of bacon. So.
And then Holly got some French toast. She's here with us today.
Yes, we're here with our friend.
I'm definitely going to try a bite of that. So.
Yeah, and honestly, I was heavily eyeing the French toast. I love that kind of like French toast, waffles, pancakes, but I have to be in a mood. Sometimes I want savory, sometimes I want sweet. But either way, whatever.
Anyway, we're super excited for our food, and hopefully I don't finish this entire glass of sangria before we get it.
Yes, exactly. Hopefully. Or maybe we will. Who knows? Link. All right, guys, so we got our food. So we just want to tell you a little bit about it. I got the chicken biscuit, as you can see. Both of the biscuits are kind of on the bottom here.
And it's got a thick layer of cheese down there, which I'm definitely going to have a bite of.
Yes.
Some good old fried chicken and a nice fried egg on top with a little bit of coleslaw on the side so that you can, get something slightly healthy in there.
Yep.
And then I got really excited when mine came, so I already dove into mine. But I got the Eggs Benedict, and it's gorgeous. It has chicken sausage patties and potato hash, and oh my god, it's like beautiful and it's delicious.
Oh yeah, and Holly got the French toast.
Holly got the French toast, which is gorgeous. It comes with all these fresh berries. It has mascarpone cheese in it. Right off the bat, everything is just like incredible. So.
It's delivered very nicely. They aren't huge portions, but they're all extremely beautifully delivered food.
Like in America, we're just so used to oversized portions. It's nice having something that's supposed to be the size.
We don't need it. We don't need anything more than this, to be honest. But yes, everything looks fantastic. All right, guys. So we just wanted to give you an update on all of our food so far.
This is so good.
Everything is fantastic. The French toast is definitely rich, so you're aware of that. But it
has like
awesome.
a nice lemony. There's mascarpone cheese in the middle of it, and it just has a nice. It's like light and lemony, like for French toast. Like it's still super rich, but I don't know. It's really delicious. My meal is to die for. They have the potato hash, which I think just makes the entire thing. Instead of bacon, they do chicken sausage on the Egg Benedict, and then of course topped with a poached egg and hollandaise sauce, which is just, oh my god, so good.
Yeah, and so the chicken biscuit, it comes with this little like spicy sweet, almost like aioli on top of it, right below the egg, which is awesome. A huge layer of pimento cheese on the bottom, but all those flavors, it's really good. It's really damn good.
It's so good. Honestly, I'm gonna need a nap after this just because this food is.
Yeah, and what's great is kind of like, we're kind of happy they aren't like overdoing the servings,
portions,
because this can be pretty heavy food, but
I mean, you got chicken biscuits with cheese and.
Yeah, So, but it's fantastic. The quality of chicken's awesome. It's really, really good. So. All right, guys. So we are all finished up. We really crushed those meals.
Oh man, that was
we are
so
full.
good.
Yeah. Honestly, this is definitely one of my favorite brunches at Disney World now. Now that we've given it a fair shot.
Yeah. And I think it's definitely worth the money, especially because so many places in Disney have like expensive buffets because of character breakfast and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, and you know, it's kind of like, you know, whatever food. I felt like this food was just to die for.
Oh, for sure. And also, like, the location. Sit upstairs on the balcony. Like, this
If you don't mind the
right
heat,
here.
yeah, it's been a gorgeous view.
Yeah,
it's been a
perfect.
great morning.
We're super glad that the rain cleared up. So we hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you like some of our other dining reviews, check out our Disney Springs series. We're trying to hit a review at every single dining location at Disney Springs. So far, we've hit I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 of them. So we're doing pretty good so far. Recently did Homecoming. That was a great review. So
We've done Chicken Guy, Frontera Cucina.
yeah, Frontera Cocina's awesome.
A couple others in there too.
Yeah, no, you can't go wrong at Disney Springs. There's plenty to eat here, and we want to show you all of it. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, comment if you've ever been to Wine Bar George before, or any recommendations you have for us or suggestions on videos. My name is Jared,
And I'm Molly.
and we'll catch you on the flip-flop.